everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today's vlog is a very special vlog because today is my birthday. On this month of August, I become super excited. I always feel really happy and grateful, and I thank God for another year of my life. My happy birthday, and I'm so blessed to have this. As this year is a quarantine birthday and I had to celebrate it at home, I wanted to try a few new things which I haven't tried ever and always kept procrastinating. So in this vlog, I'll share with you all how I spent my entire day. I started my day by lighting a diya near Baba and spent some moment of peace and gratitude and seeked his blessings. Few days back, I started my balcony gardening and sowed some fenugreek seeds, and in a matter of few days, these darling are doing so wonderfully well. Look at them. Hello everybody. Now it's time for me to unwrap my gifts. So I also wanted to share this gift unwrapping thing with you. I'll share everything what I got this birthday, and let's start with this one. Okay, so this is as you can see, this is a beautiful ring light which I always wanted to buy. I got it from my friends as a gift. Next one is this. Let's open this. Oh my god. This is a cute little mini tripod stand. Alright. This is a mini tripod stand. I think you can see me. Okay, this is a mini tripod stand. It has like 4 holders. So I think one holder is for the ring light. One holder is for I guess it is for, I think, holding the camera or phone. This holder is for my phone. So this is my second birthday gift. The very good part of this mini tripod for holding camera and phone is that it is very flexible. I can change the direction as I want for my phone and camera to be, as well as this ring light. So I think this is very helpful for me. This is what I really wanted from a very long time, and now I got it as a gift. My friends understand me very well. So after these two, I think these are the 2 holders. And what is the other one? Okay, I got one more mic record my YouTube videos, and I think the clarity will be far more better once I started using this. So guys, I am all equipped. I have my tripod, I have my ring light, I have my mic. I need more subscribers and people to get added to my family so that I can create more content and YouTube videos. Please do join to my family, okay? Please. A surprise. Let me show you this. So this is something from my lovely family. I got it from my family, my mom, my dad, my sister, my Jiju, the little baby boy. So all of them gifted me this. Earlier I was told that this is a makeup organizer and I expected the same. So this is not at all a makeup organizer. It is a iWatch. Yeah, this is my own iWatch that I got gift from my family. Before opening this, I would like to show you this lovely message that I got from my family, and it says this. I hope you can see this, but I'll read this out. Happy birthday, Chinman. Stay safe and healthy. Love from Boo, Papa, Guddu, Millie, Julie, Sanjeev and Robbie. Thank you so much. This was the amazing, and this is something which I did not expect and I got it. I am super duper happy. Thank you everyone. Thank you everybody who wished on my birthday and for this special gift. I love you, Bo. I love you, Papa. I love you, Sunday, birthday, Jiju, Sanjeev Jiju, Robbie Jiju, and my sweet, lovely kid, Guddu. Thank you for this. Now let me open and show you this. This is iWatch. And ta-da! I saw this yesterday, last night, but I did not take it out because I wanted to share this with you all and wanted to take it out and show it to you all. So this is the most precious and the best gift that I got from my family. Thank you. Everybody, welcome back. So आज डेफिनेटली गोटे स्पेशल डे, तो स्पेशल डे रे किसी स्पेशल बनया निहाती दरकार. सकाळु भाबुची एई बर्थडे रे किसी तो सब किसी तो नुआ करिया कथा, किसी डिफरेंट करिया कथा. जेमती मु देखेली वीडियो रे कि जस्ट मु किछटा प्लांटेशन स्टार्ट करछि, लाइक बालकनी गार्डनिंग. बहुत कम, बहुत छोट, बट बहुत बढ़िया होछि एंड आई फील सो एक्साइटेड डूइंग दैट. बहुत भल लगुच. सो आज मु डेफिनेटली किसी नुआ ट्राए करी जोटा मु आज के ट्राए करनी, विच इज ऑल्सो नॉट समथिंग विच आई ट्राइड एवर. आई एम गोइंग टू लेट मी शो यू. आई एम गोइंग टू मेक brownies today. So I got this. I think I got this from Walmart. एटा हैला डबल चॉकलेट प्रीमियम ब्राउनी मिक्स. बहुत बेसी प्रोसेस ना यार, सब किसी ऑलरेडी मिक्स है कि आशी, एंड आई जस्ट ट्राई टू मेक दिस. एंड मु डेफिनेटली प्रोसेस भी शेयर करी कि मु केमती कली. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. आउ देखिया केमती होची. फर्स्ट टाइम तो बनाऊची. आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड. एंड इट ऑल्सो इंक्लूड्स चॉकलेट चिप्स. बहुत मीठा हो जिवो, बट ट्राई करबा टिके अल्प बनैया पई. देखिया केमती होची. Okay, so let's get started. I am very excited to make this brownie. So it's likhaichi ki we need 1 egg and half cup of softened butter. So for butter I have this Kirkland unsalted butter. So half cup mane I might use, I think, this entirely. तो हमको molten दरकार. से एथिपाई मु याकू एबे मेल्ट कर देबी. बे आपको मो मेल्ट कर देबी एथरे माइक्रोवेव रे सो एटा हमें यूज कर परिबा मे बी आई थिंक 1 मिनट शुड बी फाइन या पर हमको दरकार सो आई विल बी यूजिंग 1 एग देखा तो बटर केमती ऑलमोस्ट सॉफ्ट है जाइछि 1 मिनट माइक्रोवेव करथली मु तापरे आमे ए ब्राउनी मिक्स को नबा आई वांट टू डू लिटिल बिट मते सब किछि करियार नाही इट हैज एवरीथिंग बट देखिए वी कैन ट्राई डूइंग एवरीथिंग बहुत बेसी नुहे देखिया कौन हो ओके या देह एटा हे गला एंड एथरे मिक्स हब गोटे अंडा दैट इज 1 एग फर्स्ट टाइम करछि तो आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर कंसिस्टेंसी वगैरह रो आइडिया ते नाही एंड नाउ आई विल ऐड दिस बटर so let's start baking पैन आ मुझे ग्रीस कर सारी एक्चुअली मुझे ऑलिव ऑयल लगे बट टिके रु बेसी हो जाइए बोधे ऑलिव ऑयल जस्ट ग्रीस कर दे देखिया कहूँ ओके सो प्री हिट है आम पैन रे सेट करवा तापर देखिबा मु एमती ब्राउनी मिक्स को पूरा से पैन रे प्रॉपरली लगे दे माने रखी देछि शेप करके तो एबे हमें ताको ओवन रे रखिबा ऑलमोस्ट फॉर 40 मिनट्स टाइम टू रिलैक्स अ बिट बसी टिके बेकिंग हे गला परे 40 मिनट्स लागिबो ताको बेक हबा पई वन्स एटा हे गला देन आमे स्टार्ट करबा हमर फेवरेट बरा घुगुनी बनेबा आज चलंतु टिके बेकिंग हे जाओ मु टिके रेस्ट करे त मु स्टार्ट करबी पुन थर देखाबा ओके It smells so good. It's soft. The decoration is not so good, the presentation, but it's so yummy. For you guys. No, for you guys first. First time baked brownies and it turned out so good. Look at these. Look at my brownies. As today is Thursday, I preferred some vegetarian, my favorite bora ghuguni, for which I have taken paste urad dal, chopped onions, chopped green chilies, cilantro and curry leaves along with some jeera. Hello everybody. So see, this is my batter which I am going to prepare bora and ghuguni. So in this batter I have added the urad dal paste and I have chopped fine cilantros, curry leaves, jeera, green chilies and salt. So let me mix this batter and keep it aside for some time, and then we can start preparing our bora and ghuguni. Keep it aside for some time and then start frying hot crispy bora. Hey friends, this is how I spent my entire day. Ate a lot of good food and then got ready, wore my birthday dress and went for a small photo shoot. With this, I want to end my vlog saying that start exploring yourself, because knowing yourself is the beginning of all happiness. Try doing a lot of new things and learning. You'll feel very happy. Let's see some wonderful video messages sent to me by my family.
Happy birthday, Chunmundai!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Chunmundai.
May God bless you.
Ding.
Happy birthday, Chunmundai. Wish you will get a lot of subs this year.
Birthday, Chunu.
Happy birthday, Chunumasi.
Happy birthday, Chunu.
Happy birthday, Chunu.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chunu. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you and you are happy always.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Chunmun. Happy birthday to you. Adu, say happy birthday. Shh. Shh. Happy birthday, Chunmun.
Many happy returns of the day, my dear Chunu. Hi.
Happy birthday, Chunmun. May God bless you.